What is wrong with you, Vincent from the Netherlands? Art is not boring. Art is beautiful and intricate and sophisticated. If you had any idea with your tiny lizard brain how art can transform into a civilized deep thinker. But you don't, because you always party and play around. And what are your expectations out of this class? Nothing. It will just be boring. Well, it is about wrinkles, isn't it? That is a subject that eats home for me. I have to tell you a story. One time when I was younger and not as good at art. One time I drew a man, but because of the exaggerated shadow under his torso and the way I made the shapes a little rounder than they should have been, it looked like the man had breasts. Like a woman's breasts. Ha 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 ha! Why are you laughing, you idiots? This was embarrassing and stupid. I was so upset. I almost broke down into tears. I was crying like a little kid. My portrait was ruined. Sorry, I feel for you. That must have been frustrating. Yes, it was. And I spent the next 2 hours correcting my portrait. I went over every little millimeter, every little dot. I finally corrected my mistake. The portrait looked perfect. Except for... well, one arm was shorter than the other. Okay. Okay. Well, laugh. Oh, ha, 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 yeah, ha, 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 yeah. Can you imagine drawing one arm too short? That was such a silly mistake. Anyway, I kept drawing and I noticed that I messed up the nose. Okay. Yes, messed up the nose. Okay. Well, why aren't you laughing, huh? That is funny. Yeah, so funny. Oh yeah. Haha. Yeah, that is funny, messing up the nose. Yeah, I got you. So, to keep a long story short, I corrected the nose. I put some extra shadows on the face. And then I looked at the man's groin area. It was too big. Ha! What is wrong with you? That was a stupid mistake. Why are you mocking me? I guess because... no, never mind. I apologize. I'm sorry. Ugh, you two are incorrigible. You understand nothing about art. Goodbye. Is it just me, or is Vincent a little complex to understand sometimes? It is not just you. I don't get him either. Okay, well, let's get into the lessons. Oh, and before you start, it is Vincent. Vincent, you lizard brain idiot.